Hi everyone, I'm Kim Bauman, and this is Shortcuts to Zen with Kim. Today's practice is about quieting your mind. So I know for myself, for many, many years, I thought that I was the worst meditator. In fact, meditating really frustrated me because I could never quiet my mind. If anything, I got more anxious just sitting there trying to quiet my mind over and over again. And then one day, my life changed and I learned that meditation was not about quieting your mind. And actually, there is no such thing as quieting your mind. So as long as you are alive and kicking, you are going to have thoughts. No matter what, you're going to have thoughts. And so meditation is more so about switching what you're thinking about. So that's what we use a mantra for, something that's easy to remember, something that you can recite over and over again to pull you out of the chatter, the clutter, the busyness, the stress, the worry, and shift your thoughts into a different thought. So if we're going to be thinking regardless because we're alive, right? Then the trick to meditation is to always bring yourself back to the mantra or to that different thought. And so if the mantra is, I choose myself, for example, that's one of my favorite mantras, I choose myself. Then whenever I am resting there and trying to meditate, if my brain keeps taking over about something that I'm worried about or everything that I have to get done, I don't have time to sit here and meditate because I have so much to do, which happens to me a lot, then the trick in meditation is to catch myself when I'm having those crazy thoughts, those busy thoughts, and to gently pull myself back into my mantra of I choose myself. And so I hope that helps anyone out there who may think that they are a horrible meditator because your mind won't stop. So what I can say to that is if you think you're bad at meditating because your mind won't stop, then you're doing it right. You're doing it right because you're human, you're alive, you're here, and so you are going to have thoughts. And so I invite you to choose a mantra. Let's sit together for a few moments. And if you can't think of a mantra, something that you'd like to invite into your life right now, then just go with the one that I'm going with, which is I choose myself. All right. Okay, so from wherever you are, just find a comfortable seat and either close your eyes or find a soft gaze down and forward. And begin by noticing your breath. The only thing to do right now is to notice that you are breathing. So often throughout the day, we're so caught up in life and everything going on that we forget that we have our breath. And so allow yourself to rest into the gratitude and the abundance of the fact that you have your breath. You have your breath. Just noticing the fullness, the texture. Perhaps your breath is making a sound. Maybe you're breathing a little heavier. Just noticing your breath. And then feel the anchor of your pelvis and your sit bones, your tailbone from wherever you are sitting or lying down. And start to turn into the wholeness of this moment. How there's nothing wrong right now. There's nothing to fix or anything to change. It's just resting into the wholeness of right now. And as you rest into this whole and complete moment, begin your mantra, I choose on the inhale, myself on the exhale. Breathe in, I choose. Breathe out, myself. And let's stay here together with the mantra, with the breath. I'm watching the time for you. Please just allow yourself to have the freedom to fall back into the rhythm of the mantra, the rhythm of your breath. I choose myself. And together, feel the breath travel in through your nose. And feel the breath empty right back out of your nose. As you begin to open your eyes and draw yourself back into the present, I invite you to carry your mantra with you, whether it was something you chose on your own or I choose myself. And remember that meditation is not about quieting your mind. It's actually impossible to quiet your mind. Meditation is about the practice of gently moving away from whatever it is you're thinking about, the clutter, got so much to do, so much I haven't done yet, worried about something going on in your life, stressing about something in your life. So it's more so about noticing that and taking that gentle shift away and back into your mantra. All right. So thank you everyone for showing up today.